In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get 500 connections on LinkedIn. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Jeff Corrett. I'm the founder of SEOke, and this is the check-in where I update you on my successes and failures. The idea is to inspire you to achieve your own goals. All right, let's get into the check-in. So yeah, had some awesome results yesterday with LinkedIn outreach. Basically, I upped my game to about 75. Now, I didn't automate it at all. I believe in doing things yourself before automating. I believe in doing things yourself before delegating. So I did it all myself. And so I reached out to exactly 75 people in my target audience, in my niche, which would be currently e-commerce companies that are doing over $400,000 per year in top line revenue. And so I reached out to 75 of them, and there was a few marketers in there because marketers can be tricky with their LinkedIn profile wording. But I got over 20 people to accept my connection request, and I think a big part of that is just putting a little bit of authority stuff in my tagline, which was completely true. I am the basically I help e-commerce in my tagline. I put, because they don't really check your profile, they just read your tagline. So I put I help e-commerce companies take their sales to the next level, something like that. And featured guest on Honest E-commerce podcast. That's true, and the founder of a group associated with people in their niche, and that is also true. So, but yeah, so if you do that consistently for a month, you will get over 500. I believe if you do that exactly for a month, you'll get over 500 connections. And so yesterday, just kind of getting in to what I planned on doing. I bit off more than I can chew, I think, with my goals. I ended up running out of time, spending a little bit too much time on these videos, but I'm trying to get it quicker. Today, I'm going to keep things simple. I have 2 sales calls, and I'm going to do this video and my LinkedIn outreach, and then SEO implementation, stay on top of the deadlines. This weekend, I made some commitments for the week, so this weekend I am going to do a little bit of work to make sure I get some stuff done that I planned on doing for this week, because I made a commitment to myself to get those things done, and those things are relating to my landing page and one other thing that's not fresh on my brain right now. I'm just going to say it out because I want to make sure I do it. I want to get the white label partner testimonial up and live on my SEO reseller plans page. That's going to do it for the check-in. Now, on to you. What do you plan on doing today to achieve your big goals in your life? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll check back in with you soon.